On YouTube, it's your boy Jordan J. Thomas. I'm actually about to start a new series on my channel. Thinking Planet Fitness workouts for like beginners and advanced. So today will be the first episode, and we're gonna do back for women and men. And I'm gonna do beginning workouts for beginners, then advanced. I throw like some music on. I may name the exercises, but it's gonna be your typical pull-ups, lat pull-downs, rows, like easy exercises for people when they go to Planet Fitness. That's like the gym that mostly everybody has a membership with. So yeah, so sit back, relax, like, comment, and subscribe, and enjoy the video. Did you?